Hi guys, so I told you guys in the previous video I'm going to open the box. I'm very rarely am I a keep in the box kind of girl, and I have to open her up. I just have to open her up. There's no way around it. I must open her up. And I know somebody will say, oh my god, she's going to go down in value if you open her up and everything. Well, this is my collection, so I am. Ow! So here. Alright. So that one. The 35th anniversary nostalgic. Look how old this is. Look how old this is. This is insane. Alright. Has the box. God. Wow. Alright, so here is the stand. Oh, wow. This is literally the same kind of stand that I bought for my own dolls. Alright. So first of all, I want to say, I really like how it's like really simple inside. And this is like so mega dusty inside. I mean, yeah, of course it is because it's been inside the box for God knows how long. Probably the moment that the seller bought the doll. So we're gonna do that. So, and this is my issue with like keeping these in the boxes because, first of all, this box was not really in great condition to begin with. So you got a lot of dust that's gotten into this thing. So what I'm actually going to be purchasing is one of those Swiffler dusty whatchamacallits. So for people that do not know, they used to put these plastic things in the back, and they don't do that anymore. But these were always a contention for my mother, because my mother used to step off of plastic things. She goes, out again! It was the equivalent of stepping on a Lego brick. So I learned, if you don't want to make mommy mad, do not leave these plastic things lying on the floor. And I'm sorry, I was born in a generation that had some common sense. So, yes, we didn't want to make mommy mad. So we made sure that we were good little boys and girls, and we did not leave our whatchamacallits are. So, and I'm going to make sure that I do that for my brother. Oh no. The swimsuit's coming off. And come on. Okay. And then have to get her sunglasses. Oh, cool. Alright, so there's her little sunglasses, which I thought, this is really cool. They actually have see-through, like, lenses. So Barbie could see through them. And we have the famous Toesies shoes. And oh yeah, I almost forgot. There's one other item on here that I was about ready to do. So this is a special edition booklet. So I'm going to kind of open this a little bit. And yeah, it says here, from the desk of Ruth Handler. This is back when she was alive. Dear Barbie collector, I never, hold on. Where's my glasses at? Yeah. I never tire of telling the story of how Barbie was born. I am quite actually proud of it. I remember watching my daughter play with paper dolls. She dressed them up over and over again until the papers were tattered beyond recognition. As she played out her dreams, I dreamed of a new doll, a real fashion doll who would become an extension of the little girl's dreams. The dream came true in 1959, the first American teenage fashion model, and I named her Barbie after my own daughter. It's hard to imagine a world without Barbie. She has come to be a role model for girls for over 3 decades. What is it that makes Barbie so special, so popular? I've been asked that question countless times. It is her beauty, it is her ability to keep pace with current style. It is her glamorous wardrobe. It is her endless accomplishments, from stewardess to military officer to presidential candidate. Perhaps I believe the most important reason Barbie maintains her status is that she allows girls from all over the world to live out their dreams and fantasies in spite of a real world that may seem too big. Experimenting with the future from a safe distance through pretend play is an important part of growing up. Barbie is anything a little girl wants her to be. I predict that Barbie will grow and change with the times, as she always has, and that she will continue to be every little girl's best friend and confidant. Ruth Handler. And there's, oh yeah, so they got all this other dolls that are coming. Like, I'm gonna pick up for my birthday, I'm gonna pick up the Bobby Mackey doll. So yeah. So that's special right there. Okay. So I'm going to open this up. And hope this will work. And yeah. Oh, come on. All right. Alright, here you go. So I'm going to stop it here because I'm nearing 10 minutes. So I'll show you what she looks like in her stand.